say hi? What's your YouTube channel?
Yes, of course.
Say hello.
You have fantastic cat.
Thank you.
He's not dangerous.
Not at all.
He's a Persian.
Exotic short hair.
Exotic short hair Persian.
Not Persian.
No?
Exotic short hair is a mix of Persian and British short hair.
Ah, exotic short hair, mix of Persian and
British short hair.
mix of British short hair.
Yes.
Let me touch him. He's so cute.
Yep.
How old he is and what's his name?
He is 2 and his name is Babu.
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 Just Babu.
Exactly.
And he's 2.
2.
He's fantastic cute.
Thank you.
And
Thank
probably you are a very kind guy.
Yeah, I try.
Yeah, God bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Of course.
Amazing cat. Just extremely amazing cat. Thank you.
Of course.
Короче, я надеюсь, вы поняли, что я сказал. Не часто увидишь котов на поводке. Я видел всего несколько раз в этой жизни котов на поводке. Было дело на северном Кипре. Я видел один раз. Вообще, это очень редкое явление. Мы идем дальше гулять. Мы нашли большой центральный парк города Торонто. Здесь прекраснейший парк.